guys? This is me, Darshan Skate, and we're gonna be, I don't know.
We're gonna make the video that I don't know. Say it.
We'll go to heaven. First, let's go to Mawa. And you do it.
Bang masa ging. Bang masa ko kay mo kana ging. Gusto ko.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Let's go data in poop.
Really?
In the Cabao poop.
Okay.
Brand new world. Yeah.
Brand new world, baby.
Brand new world, baby.
Bow flip. Okay, your turn.
Wait. Okay.
Bow flip.
Aho. Super Mario. Okay, bow flip.
Bow flip.
Aho.
I don't know how to flip.
Aho. John Cena blue trip.
Hey,
Hey.
who knows how to do this? Do you know how to do this? Look.
Easy peasy. Alawa.
360.
Okay.
And what will...
Okay. Wait, nanawa.
What?
Down that tanaw na ako.
Frog?
I can jump higher than that. Me extra higher.
Now, let's jump together. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, can you please make the circle? Can you please make the circle?
Yep, I can make the circle indeed. We just need a clear spot.
I need. Oh, over there, that's so clear.
Yeah.
Like a monster place.
But that can't be liko. Liko. So we need the liko trend. Where's the liko trend?
Agupad-upad naman ka diya, dayon.
Okay, I am a zombie.
So dayon imo ang ipangani mo dayon.
Can we do that? So
No, you are doing it wrong.
you can replace that to thingy over there.
No. Only once at a time.
I know.
And this is not even once at a time. But we forgot the lever.
No. Pwede man nga di once at a time. Pwede man. Pwede ba nga di once at a time.
Okay.
But if you want it small, you can do it small. So, how about let's do it small for better effects?
Yeah.
Ooh. Asiksihas yung lubot na. Stand up. Asiksihas yung lubot.
Galoon.
Iwaon din.
Chiwaon. Galo.
Hello. Uy.
Kuya Joshua. Ang awa mo.
Yakayaw.
Yak si Imo. You know what? Let's do not put it there.
Uy!
Nuclear bomb!
Nuclear bomb!
Parang nuclear bomb para eh.
Unsa naman na to ko nun?
Now like this.
And then we need that to be an you know.
Answer.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm making you because you're ugly.
Let's escape. Dagan. Atong tablet. With him out of the crew, no tutor. Now what are we gonna do? We're making traction?
No, I'm making the lever.
Oh, make the lever. Don't do that. Only scroll here. I missed. Yes.
Ew, bro.
Yes. Ew. Yeah. No, over there. Nice one. I'm in your Oh, you need to put levers in each one. Levers in each one.
Oh!
No, put it na. That's actually much. This is actually the trick to go. Wait. Let me make it for you. There.
No!
And where is it? What?
I don't care. The cherry is only for junk foods.
Wait. We have some technical difficulties.
Di man na.
Oh, no, that's the wrong one. After doing that, put the lever there. Also, we messed it up somehow. Okay, let's go.
Wait.
Just flick
I need the spawn egg. Where's the spawn egg? Is that? Bro, where's the spawn egg?
No, this is the spawn egg. Get a zombie or something. An Enderman.
Is there a dog?
Yes. Wolf spawn egg. Messed it up somehow.
Ibalik ka. Gang!
Now there's two.
Oh.
There it is. Just click the lever.
No, it won't.
Oh, an Enderman.
I see the man.
Slender.
The pumpkin man. Oh.
It's crazy. An Enderman.
Is it blood?
There. Black. And there. Put it over there. No. Let me just.
Oh. It's right over there.
No, the dog is trying to sabotage it, man. Now the minecart. Oh my god, dude. We don't want to go. Get out.
Bruh.
It's okay.
You got the wrong minecart.
We get.
My god. It was actually a gold.
No, it's not there. It's in the bed. In the bed collection.
It was supposed to be.
Oh, there.
No, this one.
What do you mean? There's nothing wrong. There's nothing. Why do you have to break everything? Why? There's no need to do this.
One, two, three. 4, 5.
Yo, chat. Why did we go silent, chat? I forgot we're not live streaming, and I forgot that I'm making a video of me set. Bring it the wrong side out, man. Bring it the wrong side out. The only thing, we can't get an Enderman to get into the Enderman. Bruh. No, yep, correct. Absolutely. And now we need an Enderman in the cart.
Oh.
Who keeps breaking the door?
I don't know, it's maybe you.
No, it's not me. I'm here the whole time. Maybe a ghost.
There's a ghost?
Yes.
No, I don't see your house, a haunted house.
Why does stickers fly around them?
Yeah, cause there are
Even there, I stick them to walls, they still fly. Why?
cause you're ugly.
No! I do have to make the sentence. Now I'm sad. Now I'm sad. Wait, bring a cow there. Bring a cow there. Oh. Doesn't want to be the test subject.
Yeah, cause it's a valley. Oh, finally.
No need to do that, no. I guess it's too tall.
Oh, there.
We need everything to light up. Every bit needs to light up. Hala, nainagbong dito sa gawas. We must stop the contraption though. And the video has been 13 minutes 507.
You know what? It's not 4%.
Yeah, guys, this is the end of today's video, and if you want to see more, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.